longer have control of negotiations. You are cleared to move and secure the premises.
Lead to dock. Civilian down. Breathing.
Looks like 2 more ambulances routine.
We need help!
LSPD, hands up!
Touch me, okay?
Hands up! Spread, put your hands up!
Get the fuck away from me. My hands are up.
Officers are outside. Go.
Where you at?
Vamos!
What the fuck?
Top. Suspect down.
We may have additional victims. We're starting a second ambulance. At least 3 at this point.
Element to dock. Civilian is secured.
10-4, 37, 38, and 35 at the CP.
LSPD, don't move!
Okay, officer. Yo, what the fuck? I'm out of here.
This is all my fault. Why did you tell them, you idiot?
Move to the exit.
Shit, man, they're here. Pigs are here, fucking run.
Lead to top. Civvy is ready.
10-4, we're spot. 10-4.
Fuck, where are they? Okay, just don't shoot.
Motherfucker.
Why'd you stick our head this shit?
Leave the area. Officers are outside. Entry team to top. Got one down.
We may have additional victims. We're starting a second ambulance.
Down.
10-4. Is TFD still on scene?
Center 13, 10-4.
Element to dock.
Copy, sir. Do you have ambulances returning back to the staging area?
Entry team to top. Got a suspect down. Top. You're down.
Copy, sir. Do you have ambulances returning back to the staging area?
LSPD!
Anybody hear me?
Put your hands up now!
It's not
Get
me you
down
want.
now!
I can explain everything.
Head to the exit. Officers are waiting outside.
Wrapped out my smokes.
Element to dock. Suspect is down.
Copy, sir. Starting Tower 8.
Entry team to top. Good to go.
10-4 Lifestyle Wing Restaurant. On 10-9 Adam 38, Pier 20.
Please, over here.
Show me the
Help.
palms of your hands. LSPD, don't move.
Don't touch
Don't
me.
move.
No, get away from
Hands
me.
in the air.
Please, just don't hurt me.
Go to the exit, stay quiet, and stay low. Lead to dock. Stay on the ground until this is over.
Taking it to the cut.
Dock. Civilian secure.
10-4 North entrance near Express and Lifestyle.
Element to dock. Suspect down. In need of Thames.
We may have additional victims. We're starting a second ambulance. At least 3 at this point.